How to claim NHIF insurance relief. So NHIF, National Hospital Insurance Fund, these days you have to declare it. Once you declare it, it will participate in reducing your pay as you earn tax. So I'll take you one-on-one on how to go about it. So these days, KRA declared made it clear that that National Hospital Insurance Fund will be treated as insurance policy, and it will participate in relieving the amount of total tax that somebody pays either via pay. So I'll come here, take you through how to claim NHIF relief. The Finance Act 21 amended Section 31 of the income tax to allow contribution of NHIF to qualify for insurance relief effective from 1st January 2022. To claim the insurance relief, kindly download the link and you will be good to go. So I'll take you the link. This is the way how to claim the insurance relief of the income tax of residents. So I'll take you one-on-one on how on what to do. The first thing is how to claim NHIF insurance relief. Log in to iTax KRA portal and download the tax return in Excel form. Once you download the tax in Excel form, second thing that you will be able to do is select yes to the question, do you have any insurance policy under basic information sheet? Then you will be able to say to acknowledge. You will go to the sheet with L compilation of insurance relief and capture the PIN of the insurance company, i.e. NHIF. The NHIF. This is the official code, official KRA code. So and the name of the insurance company, which is the National Hospital Insurance Fund. After that, you'll be able to do. You have to get it in Excel file. Select health, and from drop down under the type of policy. Then we will be able to go to capture your NHIF number and as an insurance policy number and select from the drop down on the policy holder. Note that you can obtain NHIF number from the NHIF card or from your monthly pay slips, or you can go to a number, text your ID card starting with the name ID, then you text to 1530, you will get your NHIF number. Once you get your HIF number, the step number 6 is you enter the date of your commencement, which is 1st January 2022. As we said, the regulation said that the relief is effective from 1st January 2022 to that 1st December 2022. So after that what you'll do is go to step number 7. Step number 7 is you will capture your annual period paid. Either that if you have been paid, if you've been paying an insurance fund, National Hospital Insurance Fund of 17,000 times the 12 months, that is 20,400 on the sum of the assured sales. Then from then you will capture the details of the pension contribution under SR number 11.1 if any on the last sheet of tax compilation. Then the next thing that you'll go is enter your personal relief as per P9 under the SR number 12.6. Once you have your the downloaded Excel format, it will be very easy to get to that. Confirm the tax computation details are matching with the P9 form and a correct tax due refund is calculated. Validate and generate the upload file. What we said is resident tax filing income return are guided as follows. Upon filing the return, either have an Excel. I would prefer somebody using an Excel file instead of the web-based ITR, because the Excel you can be able to change, you can be able to confirm that you've put the right details. The user should select yes to the question, and do you have insurance policy, because we said that for starting January 2021 January 1st 2022, KRA started the domestic tax department started treating the National Hospital Insurance Fund as a policy, and you entitled to a reduction of a payee. So the pin for the NHIF pin is this. The name is National Hospital Fund. The type of policy is health. National member number is this, can be found in the tax pay NHIF card. So employees capture it in the employee's payslip, and also in case you do not have the taxpayers NHIF's number, just said the ID then 1550 to the ID number to 1550, and you get an update. Policyholder itself, commencement date, an annual period, amount of NHIF contribution from 2022. Note that the field 89 be the same for the information. I think the tutorial is very well guided on how to claim or how to declare National Hospital Insurance Fund, so that too you may be able to lower the total tax you will pay or reduce your pay. Lifestyle tutorials, ensure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.